24-hour race is now entering, it's going to be in its 50th year. It's a very classic American race, but it's always been a great showcase for manufacturers and for the really cutting edge of racing cars. It's a great opportunity for bragging rights. Yesterday we ran 66 laps, which was very competitive. That was our first day on the circuit. Believe me, they noticed. It's back to the old adage where it's win on Sunday, sell on Monday, because it creates an excitement in the brand. It gets people to go look at it and talk about it and search for it on the internet. It gives people who really want to go farther into the Audi world an opportunity to really have something even more exotic than they can buy in the showroom.